Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today I'm super excited to announce an upcoming 21-day pranayam challenge. Pranayam means control of breath. According to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, modifications of breath are internal, external, or suspended with different durations while paying attention to specific parts of the body. This helps in making our breath long and subtle and is a pathway to higher levels of awareness. Over the course of the next 21 days, we'll start gently and progressively build our pranayama practice to help improve our breathing quality and capacity. We'll start on 1st of November and practice daily together for 21 days. Since this is a pranayama challenge only, I will not be doing any asana warm-up during the session. So you can join the sessions after a quick warm-up of either a few Surya Namaskars or just some warm-up asanas for the spine and the hips so that you are able to sit more comfortably for the pranayama practice. Also make sure that you are doing the practices on an empty stomach. I'm really looking forward to starting this journey with you. See you on day 1 of the challenge.